3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's Unbox Wednesday. So thank you guys for watching another video. And if you guys have been watching this, if you guys are avid viewer, you guys know this is a continuation on the video that I dropped on Saturday. All right, so I'm gonna be doing this video right here. And I guess I got my unboxing from SD Bullion, which is what the paper says right there. So I'm gonna be doing my unboxing. All right, so you guys, if you guys seen the video on Saturday, you guys know all this right here is about 70 ounces of gold. Well, not gold, silver. Yeah, had brain fog right there. All right, so let me get this thing out the way. But thank you guys for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a thumbs up, and comment on the video. Let me know what you guys think about my unboxing video. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go.
Working for work, and grind. Working for work.
All right, so this is one of my favorite parts that I love to do every Wednesday. Well, honestly, it's still Saturday, but you guys will be watching this on Wednesday. And these bags are still hard. Let's see what I have here. Let's take out the bag first. Well, the paper first. Let's see what we have here. We have SD Bullion, of course. So let me see here. How much did I pay for this? The price is not on here. I checked the whole paper, but there was no price on there. But let's see what I have here. Boom. Okay. So from what I see so far, so we have some bars. So I got this order yesterday, which is not Tuesday for you guys. This would be Friday. So I placed the order last Friday, so it took them about a good week for me to get them. Okay. So let's see here. So you guys know I purchased from SD Bullion, JM Bullion, Atmex, and Texas Precious Metals. Let's see how long every last one of them takes. So right now, the winner of the shipping department, and that could be debatable because I live in Miami. I don't know what happened. It could be closer to me. Who knows? But I have 3 bars right here that I'm adding to it. So below me is about 70, 71, 72. So this would be about 75, 76. So I ordered 3. And I think this one I placed an order, this is SD Bullion, right? I think I placed the order for about 50, I forgot. So we can see here, we have these Liberty Bills right here. I got 3, and the only reason is because I'm trying to fill up. I have 1 tube so far that's filled up with coins, so that's about 20, and I think I got another half, so I'm going in on the bar so I can fill up. And you guys seen that I have a whole bunch of these that I'm trying to fill up, and I said that I'll try to fill them up within, by next year, my 2-year stacking anniversary. So far, this is what you guys see right here that I'm adding to my stack, and that's pretty much it for this video here. Thank you guys so much for being an avid viewer. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys want to see more subscribe, you guys can actually, well, not more subscribe. If you guys want to see more unboxing, you guys should actually check out my playlist that I have, which is called Unboxing. I have a whole bunch of unboxing. And you guys can get some ideas to see how you guys want to buy gold and how you guys want to buy silver yourself. All right. So there's a whole bunch of stuff going on with the channel. And I just want to say thank you. And honestly, I just shot 2 videos at once, which goes back to my Saturday video, because today is Saturday. For me, for you guys, it's Wednesday. But thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.